Top speed is not just to reduce a duration. Top speed is to conquer distances with the help of technology and human ingenuity. It can change the way we live. It can get the world's attention and change perceptions. Because time and distance can be conquered to reach the higher economic destinations only by attaining top speed. This is the modern lesson demonstrated to the world by the Greater China region, where the will to lead with technological advancement has made the region a world leader on the economic front in a very short span of time. And their vast bullet train network is one such example. You too can board this bullet train of top speed growth by investing in the Greater China region. Presenting Edelweiss Greater China Equity Offshore Fund, an investment option enabling you to invest in good companies from China, Hong Kong and Taiwan. How does Edelweiss Greater China Equity Offshore Fund work? We invest in JP Morgan Fund's Greater China Fund, which is underlying fund. The underlying fund picks up good investing ideas from across the Greater China region. It creates a portfolio of 50 high conviction stocks. It aims to select companies with higher return on equity and lower debt. Environment, social and governance standards are an integral part of the portfolio. Benefits of investing in this fund. You get to invest in promising Chinese companies that are leaders in their respective fields. You get to diversify your portfolio by investing in international investments. You get to invest in world's largest emerging markets like China, Taiwan and Hong Kong. You get to benefit from the expertise of a 20+ strong investment team in the region. You may get good returns if you stay invested patiently for over 7 to 10 years. So, if you are able to ignore the short-term negative performance or want to start an SIP, invest in the Greater China region. Invest in Edelweiss Greater China Equity Offshore Fund. Start your investment journey today by visiting our website www.edelweissmf.com. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully. To know more, listen to Money Connect, an Edelweiss Mutual Fund podcast where you can now learn all about investments through simple stories and conversations.